A special event celebrating Europe Day, EuroFest2024, took place in the Kazakh capital, held in the Gashyktar Park. The traditional festival featured Spanish flamenco, French songs and Portuguese delicacies, representatives from the diplomatic corps, residents and guests of the metropolis, and students aspiring to study in European universities, gathered to celebrate unity and friendship among European nations. The organizers prepared a unique concert program, along with masterclasses, competitions, and presentations of traditional foods and beverages from different EU countries. Notably, there are over 20 diplomatic missions from EU member states operating in Astana. The audience also enjoyed a spectacular show organized by the embassies of Germany, Poland, Estonia and Romania. Special stalls featuring various EU-funded projects in Kazakhstan and Central Asian states were also on display.
Мы в этом году делаем Астану.
This year we are holding EuroFest2024 in Astana. I believe that in the following years we will choose other cities. Kazakhstan and Europe enjoy a friendly partnership, and we would like Kazakh citizens to get to know Europe better and travel there for tourism, business or education. We also wish for as many European tourists as possible to visit and experience the beauty of Kazakhstan.
На учебу. И хотелось бы, чтобы как можно больше туристов с Европы тоже приехало и увидело прекрасный Казахстан.